Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Loreal Elvive Stylist Mousse is probably one of the most versatile styling products on the market, offering incredible hold and volume without the stiffness or crunch often associated with traditional mousses, making it a go-to for achieving salon-worthy hairstyles right at home, whether you're aiming for sleek and smooth or big and bouncy. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus. This advanced treatment is designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this powerful formula works to repair damage. It's a quick yet effective step in your hair care routine. Experience immediate results as it targets and repairs hair damage. You'll notice a significant difference from the very first use. Achieve noticeably softer and stronger hair. It revitalizes your strands, leaving them feeling healthier and more resilient. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is perfect for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. What we like. This is a powerful pre-shampoo treatment. It works to immediately repair hair damage, leaving it softer and stronger. If you have severely damaged or chemically treated hair, this is the ultimate solution for deep restoration. What people say. This mousse provides great hold without making hair stiff or sticky. It adds volume and texture to my fine hair, making it look fuller. The mousse is lightweight and doesn't weigh down my hair, even when used generously. Number 4. L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Heat Slayer Pre-Iron Spray. Protect your hair from heat damage with our new Heat Slayer Pre-Iron Spray. It's designed to shield your strands from temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This leave-in spray provides a protective barrier, preventing breakage and split ends caused by heat styling. Enjoy smoother, healthier-looking hair. It effortlessly detangles and prepares your hair for a flawless finish. Get ready to style with confidence, knowing your hair is protected. The lightweight formula won't weigh your hair down or leave a greasy residue. It leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. Achieve your dream hair with Elvive Dream Lengths. This spray is your secret weapon for long, strong, and beautiful hair. What we like. This spray offers excellent heat protection for your hair. It's designed to shield strands from damage caused by styling tools. If you frequently use heat styling and want to prevent frizz and breakage, this is your go-to product. What people say. This mousse provides great hold for my curls without making them stiff or crunchy. It adds volume and body to my fine hair, making it look fuller and thicker. The mousse is lightweight and doesn't weigh my hair down, which is a huge plus. Number 3. L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Frizz Killer Serum. Say goodbye to frizz with our powerful new serum. It's designed to smooth and control even the most unruly hair. Unlock your dream hair with this incredible formula. It helps you achieve the long, luscious locks you've always wanted. Experience unparalleled shine and smoothness. This leave-in treatment works wonders to make your hair look and feel amazing. Keep frizz at bay all day long. This serum is your secret weapon for maintaining sleek, polished hair no matter the weather. Enjoy the benefits without the weight. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your hair feeling soft and manageable. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly, this serum is perfect for you. It provides the nourishment and control needed for beautiful results. What we like. This leave-in serum is specifically formulated to combat frizz. It smooths and adds shine for a polished look. If you struggle with flyaways and want sleek, manageable hair, this serum will be your best friend. What people say. This mousse provides great hold and volume without making hair stiff or sticky. It's easy to apply and distribute evenly through the hair, creating a smooth finish. The lightweight formula adds body and bounce to fine or limp hair, lasting all day. Number 2. L'Oreal Paris It Curl Mousse. Discover the secret to beautifully defined curls. Our advanced formula enhances your natural texture, giving you the bounce and hold you desire. Achieve salon-worthy curls with ease. This lightweight mousse provides flexible hold without stiffness, ensuring your style lasts all day. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it not only styles but also cares for your hair. Experience soft, touchable curls that look and feel amazing. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to perfect curls. It's designed to work with all curl types, making styling simple and effective. Ready for your best curls yet? Get this essential styling tool and transform your hair. You'll love the results. What we like. This mousse is perfect for enhancing your curls. It provides definition and boosts volume without stiffness. If you have wavy or curly hair and want to achieve bouncy, well-defined styles, this is the product for you. What people say. This mousse provides great hold without making hair stiff or sticky. It adds volume and body to fine hair, making it look fuller. The mousse is lightweight and doesn't weigh down my hair. Number 1. L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Balm. Introducing the L'Oreal Paris Hair Expert Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. It's designed to deeply repair and reconstruct your hair. Specifically formulated for dry, chemically treated hair, this balm works wonders. It helps to rebuild and revitalize strands. Experience the damage-erasing power of this intensive treatment. It effectively targets and repairs common hair concerns. If your hair is dry and has been chemically treated, this is the solution. It reconstructs and restores its natural health. This 8.5-ounce balm provides deep nourishment. Give your hair the intensive care it deserves for a healthier look and feel. What we like. This balm offers deep repair for damaged hair. It reconstructs strands, especially beneficial for chemically treated or dry hair. If your hair is brittle and needs intensive rebuilding, this balm will restore its health and vitality. What people say. It provides a good hold and volume without making hair stiff or sticky. This mousse is lightweight and doesn't weigh down fine hair, giving it a nice lift. The product is easy to apply and distribute evenly through the hair, creating a smooth finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.